I wanted to do a couple of videos about our planting out system, because we plant out in bulk so that we've got lots of excess and we can give some to the chickens, and you know, we just have tons to give away and stuff. So these seed trays have 60 per tray. They're sitting in the greenhouse at the moment. They're sitting on a wicking bed, an old towel, so we can wet down this entire area, and they just soak up the moisture through the bottoms of the cells. So then when we go to plant them out, which I'm about to do, it makes it really fast and easy to plant out seedlings. So as you can see here, we've got a few different types of spring onions, some kale, some rainbow beets, some red cabbages, and some Brussels sprouts. Planting in mid-autumn in Christchurch, so need to get these things in the garden for winter eating. So this is the second part of the system. This just helps us get the seedlings out really easily and into the ground really quickly. So as you can see, I've got 6 screws there that I've created by screwing through the bottoms of the seed cells so that they're sitting in the right places. So if we just lift it across and put it on the top there, and give it a bit of a wiggle because sometimes they don't line up properly, and see all the seedlings just pop up out of their cells. So it's really easy then to grab some, lift them out. The roots have got very, very minimal disturbance as they go into the ground. I'll show you this third piece in a minute. So the third piece of the system is what we call the Bedibber. It's a dibber on steroids. What we've done is to sharpen a piece of wood that's perfectly the same shape as the inside of the plant cells, or the seedling cells, and it's got a piece to step on the bottom, so we can quite easily come into a garden bed here and go, give it a bit of a wiggle, and it leaves a hole that's perfectly sized for those seedlings. So there's absolutely no root disturbance with popping them in, and I'll show you popping them in again in a second. I'll just make a whole lot of these holes. So it takes about 2 minutes to do a row of holes up the bed like that. We've just pulled the straw mulch out of the way, and then we go to pop the cells in there. As you can see, they've popped out really easily and neatly, and they go into one of these holes just like that. So that's almost no root disturbance. These things usually just take off. As you can see, these are leeks, spring onions, so it doesn't matter that they're a bit bunched together. Normally it'll be 1 cell per plant, obviously. Anyway, quick and easy, our Bedibber system. Right, so that's us. We've planted about 80 spring onions and leeks down this row, and we've remulched around them. We're fighting cooch grass here, so we've got quite a lot of invasive grass. As you can see, there's woolen carpet laid everywhere to try and suppress that at the edges of the garden. So that was that. Just needs water and probably 25 minutes start to finish. Really, really quick and effective way of doing this.